Rogers home internet drops can be frustrating. They often stem from a few key issues. First, Rogers uses a mix of cable and fiber, and older cable connections can be prone to signal issues, especially during peak hours when everyone's online. Secondly, your modem or router might be outdated or just need a reboot. Thirdly, external factors like weather or even construction nearby can temporarily disrupt service. So, how do you fix it? The quickest fix is the classic reboot. Unplug your modem and router, wait 30 seconds, plug the modem back in, wait for it to connect, then plug the router back in. Also, check Rogers Outage Map, available on their app or website, to see if there's a known issue in your area. If a reboot doesn't solve the problem, there are more advanced steps. Log into your Rogers account and check for firmware updates for your modem. Outdated firmware can cause connection instability. Next, try running a speed test to check for unusually slow speeds. If slow speeds are persistent, contact Rogers support for a line test. For future solutions, Rogers is investing heavily in fiber upgrades and 5G home internet. Fiber offers more reliable connections compared to cable, and 5G promises lower latency and fewer drops. Rogers is also implementing AI-driven predictive maintenance to identify and fix potential issues before they cause outages. Consider upgrading to a Rogers Ignite plan with mesh Wi-Fi for better coverage and signal strength throughout your home. Finally, ensure your cabling and equipment are up to par. An outdated splitter can cause issues with your Rogers service.